Here I have Motorola Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume up in order to enter turn off menu, and then hold down your finger on power off. Then it proposes you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK, and after that device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. Restart it by holding down power key plus volume up, of course, and then tap restart. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.